Vision by Zoho CRM Review. Watch before using. Most people get CRM software wrong. They assume it's only for large enterprises and complicated to set up. Vision by Zoho is different. The surprising truth is how lightweight yet powerful it is for small businesses, and you won't believe how quickly you can start managing pipelines and customer relationships. Here's how it works. Vision provides a pipeline-focused CRM that tracks leads, contacts, deals, and activities. You can create custom pipelines, automate repetitive tasks, and integrate emails and calls within the platform. The interface is clean, mobile-friendly, and designed for simplicity. For example, a small sales team can track incoming leads, set follow-up reminders, and view pipeline stages at a glance, ensuring no opportunity is missed. Most people get this wrong. They assume CRMs are bulky, but Vision keeps it simple without sacrificing essential features. Additional features include task automation, customizable fields, and integration with Zoho apps, Gmail, and third-party tools. Reporting dashboards provide insights into sales performance and customer engagement. However, there are considerations. Advanced features like multi-pipeline management and deeper analytics may require paid plans. Most people assume the free plan is unlimited. It has limits that may require upgrades as your team grows. In conclusion, Vision by Zoho is ideal for small businesses seeking a simple, efficient, and effective CRM solution. Its focus on pipelines, ease of use, and integration options make it a great entry point into customer relationship management. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of CRM tools and business software.